Being a Christian in a closed country is not easy. Sharing your faith in God can have terrible consequences. You don't see the true value of Christianity until your faith is tried in a place like this. When everyone is different, you must hold strong to your beliefs. I moved from my home country because of a scholarship I received. When I arrived in this new nation, I searched for a Christian church family for support, but there was none. Then some friends invited me to meet on Sabbath at an address they would provide. I agreed, and we met at a house that they rented for religious meetings and worship. There, I felt welcomed and at peace. My heart was content and everyone was really nice. I started learning a lot of new lessons from the Bible. The Sabbath was a new topic for me, and I saw how important and enduring God's law really is. After studying the Bible, I decided to get baptized. It was a good step toward God. Now, I participate in many activities of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. But as I share my faith with others, I find it challenging because we do not have a regular place of worship. We often change meeting locations, moving from house to house for various reasons. We long to have our own permanent place where we can worship. Please pray that we find one soon. And also pray that the government may recognize our church meetings in this country.